Foxy friends, welcome by a new YouTube video for Bramble Fox, and in this video I made a spread in my Traveler's Notebook and used a stamp from Bramble Fox, and also I used the metal dies from Bramble Fox. Recently they designed some stamps and dies, and I thought maybe it's the time right now to make a video with especially the metal dies and the stamp, of course. So we're gonna make a spread in my Traveler's Notebook, and here I already cut out a die, and I cut more dies. This is a little note that I cut out with one of the beautiful sets, and I also cut this one out. I like this one very much. It's so lovely, and this one too. I'm in love, and I think this is a perfect die for your background. And here is a nose strip. I love nose strips, so I definitely use some of those. And here I use also a star. So okay, we can go to build a page. So we start first with the photo and some leftover design paper. Here I have some already cut out from the metal dies, but first we start putting some design paper behind the photo. So I cut this design paper on size, and I ruffle the edges with my distresser for more dimension in my work. So okay, now here I start ruffling the edges, and when I'm done I put it behind my photo, and then I start puzzling with all the other leftover papers and build a layering under my photo. So I use for no tagged glue, but I use edge shape tape to put everything to each other. Yes, and here I start with the leftovers. Also I ruffle the edges from all the little pieces of paper, and I put it also behind my photo. Here I tear little bits apart, and then I put it behind the photo, and I do it with all the little pieces of design paper. I ruffle the edges, and then I put it behind my photo. I start with the cutouts from the metal dies. I cut them out on white cardstock because I wanted to use them as an ephemera behind the photo, but also between the photo and my design papers. And when everything has its place, because it's a little bit puzzling here, but we're getting there, and when everything is in place, we're gonna glue this to my Traveler's Notebook page, and then we decorate it further with the beautiful die cuts of the Pink Fresh collection, Days of Splendor. And I forget to mention this, but also I used the beautiful design paper from the Days of Splendor for Pink Fresh. And here I use the notes that I cut out or from the design paper with the dies. I use two of them, and then everything is ready, and I can place it on my Traveler's Notebook page. So, and it's time for decorating. I love decorating, embellishing. I think it's the most fun part of scrapbooking. Also, I like layering, so if you can see, so layering and embellishing with die cuts and decorating my page are definitely my favorite things to do. Now, so I already look some die cuts. I'm already selected some die cuts that I wanted to use on my on this page, and this is a title word. Let's get cozy. I think that's a really a very good title for this picture, and I also use the words together, and then it's the title Together Let's Get Cozy. So that's the title of this page, and here I put some die cut flower and leaves on this page, and yeah, here it's a little die cut flower. I ruffle the edges from this die cut, and I place it on my photo, and then I use the title Together, and then is this page ready, and we go to the next page. So it's time for the next page, and then for this page I also selected some labels, and I wanted to use a cutout from the Bramble Fox dies. Also I cut them out from a white cardstock, and I also used the note strip that I cut out from the design paper from Pink Fresh. And when everything it's a little bit puzzling, and when everything is in place I put it together, and I stick it together with some SJF tape, and then we go to the next step because I want to use also the stamps from Bramble Fox, and we go stamping. So now it's time to stamp a little bit on this page, but first I scroll a line, so I with my pencil and my ruler, because I know where I wanted to start, and instead of journaling journal this page, I use my stamps, and it will be 365 24/7 everyday memories. I think I'm really happy with this stamp set, because they are the stamps are from a good quality, and that is very important. I think the stamps are it must be from good quality, because I don't like stamps when you see not everything, or it's a little bit blurry, I think you can call that. I hope you know what I mean. So this is a very good quality of a stamp set, and I'm very happy with this. So now I don't have a lot of mixed media on this page, but I do a little bit, and for a little bit of splatters I wanted to make, I use my Distress Oxide. The color is Evergreen Boog, and I put a little bit Distress Oxide on my plate, and with a little bit of water I mix it with my pencil, and I make some splatters. And that is all the mixed media I use on this Traveler's Notebook spread. I do this also with the white acrylic ink. I made some splatters, and that is all the mixed media I use for this time. And then my Traveler's Notebook is almost done. So I hope you I hope you enjoy my video for Bramble Fox. I made for this video a Traveler's Notebook spread instead of a layout. I really enjoyed to using the metal dies and the stamp, and I'm very curious to the projects you made with the stamp and the metal dies. So I hope to see your work on the internet, so I can like it, and I get also inspiration of your work. So let's inspire each other, I think so. I hope you enjoyed this video. I did too, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!